Welcome to day 8, and today's video is all about making your report look as good as the insights they provide. So here's the thing, you can't choose about nailing the requirements or making your reports look good. Both of these things need to come together. Why? When your reports look good, people are attracted to it. People love a well-built solution. People are excited when a solution looks good. And what I find even more, when your Power BI solution or any solution aligns to your organizational branding, it's more favored by different stakeholder groups and also by senior leadership as well. But at the same time, you can't just have a report looking good and not providing the right insight. So, like I said, both of these need to mesh together. But how do we actually go ahead and build a solution that is aligned to our organizational branding and looks good? That's exactly what we'll be doing now. So, moving on to my screen, you'll notice over here I have a bit of a Power BI solution, right? It's a retail overview analysis. What do I have? I have my KPIs here on the left-hand side. I have some filters on the top. I have a line chart. I have a clustered column chart. And some additional elements, as you can see here, right? I can select ATV. ATV is now being displayed. I can see UPT. So that's all done by a field parameter, right? But the point is this, it doesn't look too great, right? Doesn't align to our organizational branding. Things are not really placed appropriately. Elements aren't aligned well. It's quite heavy on the eyes because I don't know where to first focus. So here's what we should be doing. Open up PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, use different shapes, backgrounds, colors, gradients, and create different template files, right, that align to your organizational branding. So I'm just going to reverse that back there. So go ahead, find your organizational branding guidelines. So your typography, illustrations, icons, color palettes, and various other elements. Get that first. Go into PowerPoint as I have. Build something similar, align it to your organization. Once you do that, all you have to do is click File, Save As, and export it as a SVG. Now, once you do that, go back into Power BI. Whilst clicking on the canvas, go to Format, Canvas Background, and I'm going to go ahead and very quickly just select my location. So overview, and there you have it. Look, it's already starting to come together, right? And you can see, for instance, I can move this here. Let me quickly move this down there. I don't need that anymore, actually, right? I can then maybe move this over here, this around here. Let's actually put these at the top potentially, something like that, right? And this can go here, and this can go here. And now with more time, everyone, you can see where we're going with this, right? So our solutions will look cohesive because we're using a consistent template. That template will be aligned to our organizational branding, so always on brand. But now with more time, we can get this. And you can really see how just a background image makes the report come to life. But like I mentioned, apart from that, it ensures all the solutions in your organization are cohesive, aligned to organizational branding. People are attracted to this. It pulls people in as well, right? And it creates that level of consistency that you want. But hopefully you saw how simple it is to go ahead and actually create these Power BI template files. Just one thing to leave you on, never leave this. Go to view and customize current theme. So you can see, always add a theme. So simple, you can do it here. You can take it outside of Power BI and edit the underlying JSON file to add maybe some elements that don't exist in this prompt. However, start here, pass this on with a template file, and I promise you your organization will be thankful for it.